What is up, YouTube viewers and fans? Glad to see you guys back here for another episode. Check out what we got going. Discover how the 300 per day secret help average people earn online income. This is a capture page that I built inside of the six-figure marketing system so that way I can promote another opportunity called the Infinity Processing System. So that'll be this opportunity right here that I'm going to promote inside of the My Six Figure marketing system. We're going to go over real quick how to build a capture page, how to put a bridge page on there, and get it set up to where you can start promoting your other opportunities while using these tools inside of My Six Figure marketing system. Let's jump right into it. So if we go over here into pages, I'm going to jump back out into the dashboard so you guys see how we do this. So I'm going to jump over into links, and down here it has my pages, six-figure feeder VSL sales page, the my six-figure blueprint VSL page, my capture pages, and my bridge pages. So what I want to do here is do a capture page. I'm going to pull this one right here just real quick so we can go over the details. And this one, it just kind of it's a basic one, basic format, white background, and all the other adjectives to get someone to click and get over into see what offer you have. Here I kind of like what the setup is saying, but I'm gonna edit it so that way it can be a little bit more noticeable. I'm gonna bring this part here. I'm gonna go over to font size, and I'm gonna bring it up to a 14. Then I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna click red, because red is very attracting and it's going to get noticed, and it's going to entice the reader to read. So I'm going to click red on formula. I'm going to hit save changes and then close out, and then here you go, everything is changed out. Let's go back in here, redo that, hit save changes, close. So now that everything is done here, we're gonna make sure we hit save changes again. We're gonna return. We're gonna go over here to my bridge pages. I already set up a bridge page for this. And this is what it's looking like. So again, if I wanted to edit this, I'll go out and I'll hit edit. It'll come up. You have a little red toggle up here with the pencil mark. You'll hit the pencil mark to be able to change all the lettering inside of there. You'll hit the red toggle to be able to post a video inside of your bridge page. So since we already know how to edit our wording and what we want to situate up top of our videos and our capture pages, let's go in here. Now what you have is a YouTube code. You can be able to put the code in there, the FLV versus the MP4, so you'll be able to post an MP4 video in there, or a straight YouTube HTTP link, which I have in there. But I want to show you real quick how to grab a link to embed a code in there. So we're going to come over here into my YouTube page, and I'm going to just pick this video so we can just show you real quick. I'm going to go here, and I'm going to hit embed, and it gives me the whole embedding code here. Start there. So what I'll do is take this whole format here, I'll copy it, come back over, embed it, I'm going to save changes, and I'm going to close. So now that's all done, I'm going to hit save changes again. You want to view it, everything pops up the way it's supposed to. So what's important here you want to grab this link here so we can set it up to our capture page. Oh, sorry. So it'll be this link here above. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to go back over to edit page. Make sure I hit save one more time just to double check that we saved everything. I'm going to return, come back over to my capture page, and get back over into the capture page. I'm going to hit edit. So what we're going to do is go over here to form, hit redirection URL. I'm going to paste this into there. When you see it go green, that means that it's active and it's ready to go. We're going to hit save changes. I'm going to return back over to my bridge page. So we're going to go here to view, make sure everything's working right. Videos coming on. And it shoots right to the website redirection. So what you want to do, you want to make sure you have this code of your website copied and ready to go. We'll go back down inside of here. So we're going to go down right here. See the little red pencil toggle? I'm going to click in there. And the link is already pasted in there. IPS Marketing, Corey Norris. I'm going to hit save and close. That'll be a little red pencil mark down here at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that. Little red pencil mark. And that's how you set up a whole new campaign. So using the My Six Figure Blue marketing system. So if I go back down to my links, go to capture page. I take this capture page here. It's up and it's live. It's running. I'm going to hit more details. It's going to send me right into my bridge page. This is a very important part of email marketing, or having a capture page set up, is to go to a bridge page so you warm that cold lead up to you and they kind of get an idea of what's going on, and it brings them to the point where they either decide to close out and not deal with it, or go further and join you in your program. So that's kind of how we do this in a nutshell. Go back over into the dashboard. I do have the link to the Affinity Processing System down at the bottom. It's a attraction marketing course, so that way you learn how to attract the perfect customer to you, and you're not running and chasing behind clients and customers and begging everybody to join your business. It gives you the exact skill, know-how to be able to attract the person to you so they can see what you have to offer and want to join your business with you. I have a few back office reviews inside of my YouTube channel here. Take a minute and give those a go through and check out some of the videos. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share this video, and I'll see you on another page. Man, get out of here. Go do something. I know I am. Go spend some time with the kids. It's the right thing.